So Brazil and really all of South and Central America are huge growth potential for us. We've really had a great presence in Brazil for a long time, and now we're expanding. We have a new location in Bahia, which is a testament to our growth strategy, how we want to grow here in South America. The growth here in South America is not just important to us, it's vital to our overall growth strategy.
Our service is based on local expertise and local competence. Our new service center in Bahia is based on really customer care and experience. We will expand in new technologies and new ways of working with PC Activate and with digital solution. Our growth with our customer together is our vision and our future for our business here in LATAM, Brazil and Bahia. Thank you very much.